Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the GetContact app. So if you don't know what is an GetContact and you don't know how to use it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GetContact app on a device. So if you have not installed it, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the GetContact app and make sure that you have already signed up with it. So if you don't know where to sign up with, you may see the option of sign in with Apple or sign in with Google. So you just need to select the option which you think is suitable for you, and it will send you the verification code on WhatsApp or SMS. So that is according to the option which you choose. So the main features are, you just need to click on the option of menu, and here you'll see the number of tags which are given to you. So you may see how others people have saved a number, and tags are also anonymous and some requires a premium subscription. So make sure that you see according to it, and you may also identify unknown callers. So you may simply enable caller ID and spam protection. So to enable it, click on the option of spam call protection and click on it, and you just need to activate it. And the other thing which you can do is that you may simply hide a number from the search. So you just need to go on the getcontact.com and click on the option of manage, and you just need to enter your number, verify it, and you just need to turn off the search visibility. And you may also add tags to other numbers. So if you want to add tags to other number, you just need to scroll down, and under quick contact you'll see the number of people who are using GetContact, and you may simply add a tag on their number. So you may simply click on the option of add tag, and you may simply add the tags on the contacts. So you may also delete or report inappropriate tags. So if you click on the option of menu at the very bottom right and click on the option of my tags, and if you click on the tags like this, and you may simply report it and also make them hidden from your profile. So that's it. That's how you can use the GetContact app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.